Donnie-Lee-Gwing, 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 Donnie-Lee-Gringo, Donnie-Lee-Gwing, 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 Donnie-Lee-Gringo. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Good day. Good afternoon. We're walking on the beach on a sunny afternoon. A sunny afternoon on the beach. It's about 69 Fahrenheit degrees. It's windy. And Mike thinks it's warm enough to be shirtless. The sun is behind the clouds right now, but the clouds are moving, so the sun will come back. Is it cold? No, not too cold. Hi, Janie. Marcelo, say hello to Janie. My friend from church in Kansas City. We are walking to the grocery store. Oh, is that glass or plastic? Oh, that's glass. I shall pick up the glass. No, I'll carry it until we get to the trash can. No, that's too much exercise. Okay. You can walk to the garbage can. I was going to carry it to the grocery store. But he just wants more exercise. So this is facing south on the beach. We are on the east side of Florianopolis. And most of Florianopolis is is an island. Great, Stacy. Thank you. Thank you. It's about 69 degrees and windy, which is cool for Brazilians, but Mike says it's warm enough to be shirtless today. You scared me. And there are Brazilians walking who are in long sleeves. I'm in short sleeves. The waves are not too high today, and it's a weekday, so I do not see any surfers. I think it was last Sunday we were walking and there were about a half dozen surfer guys. We're walking south. I was saying on the Florianopolis city is on the island that is technically called Santa Catarina Island. Santa Catarina is the state in Brazil of one of the southern states in Brazil. Ooh, here comes the sunshine now. Behind the clouds, from behind the clouds. Hi, Jenny. Thank you for being here, everybody, as we walk about 69 Fahrenheit degrees, about 20 Celsius degrees. It's windy, but it's not too cool, even though this is Brazilian winter time. There are bars and restaurants at the beachfront. It looks like a father and a son here in the water. Looks like Daddy is cold. This Santa Catarina Island in the state of Santa Catarina is within the city boundaries of Florianopolis. Florianopolis is the capital city of Santa Catarina. Most of Florianopolis is on this beach, and this is a resort tourist community called English North. This whole beachfront here is called the English Beach, or Iglesias English Beach. Dad is cold. He's hugging himself. Mike's not too cold. Mom is sitting on the beach with a sweater. There's some fishing going on here. And I think they're fishing for little children because they've caught three. They've caught 3 kids. They're in their fishing and they're staying in the water. Okay, I'm going to walk behind the fisher guys because I don't want to interrupt their fishing pole. Somebody is selling shirts and hats. And there's the yellow restaurant, Amarelinho. Amarelinho is the word for little yellow restaurant. Oh boy, he's ready to go surfing. People are catching some rays of sunshine. It's actually warmer and sunnier today than it has been for several days. Like I said, we're in Brazilian winter time, south of the equator winter. In the summer of January and February, it's over 90 degrees Fahrenheit, in the 30s Celsius. It's also humid in this area, I'm told. But right now, for me, since I'm a native San Francisco, California guy, right now the weather feels like summertime in San Francisco. So I'm okay with it. I'm happy. Hello, Carl. Welcome to English Beach, Florianopolis, Brazil. We're on an island off of the coast of the state of Santa Catarina. Here's another beachside restaurant. In my 3 months of being in Brazil, I have not yet eaten or drank alcohol or drank a soda pop on the beach. The beachside restaurants and bars are a little bit more expensive for my budget, but compared to American prices, they are ridiculously low. You can get a beer for $1 US dollar. You can have a lunch for under $10 US, or even sometimes under $5 US. When I go to the all-you-can-eat buffets here in Brazil, it's between $5 and $10 for all I can eat. And the buffet choices are amazing. Much better than Golden Corral. And less fattening. Most Brazilian food is a little less fattening than what we tend to eat, or at least what I tend to eat in the U.S. I've lost 30 pounds in 3 months here in Brazil, walking and eating better. Here's two other beachside restaurant bars. Well, three actually. 1, 2, 3. Here's the Beach Patrol Tower, Beach Patrol station up above. Although I do not see any lifeguards or beach patrollers right now. Still warm? Are you still warm? That guy's in a jacket and long pants. Here, Mike, you want to go surfing? Body surfing? Take these and see what those little boys will say about it. Here's some people in long sleeves and long pants. Should we go to the closest supermercado? Okay. Well, we can walk more because I brought these instead of my flip-flops. I don't remember which beach exit is the... Oh, the black one is already Angelino exit? Oh. Or is the black one the supermercado that's closer? That way is, this direction is north on the island. There are over 40 separate beaches on this island. From top to bottom, north to south, it's about 60 minutes to drive. And west to east, there really is no west to east road, so you kind of have to go around top and bottom. But I would estimate east to west on the island is probably 30 miles. You can see the island on a map if you look in southern Brazil, mid-south Brazil, at Florianopolis. The sun is coming back out from these clouds. We left the apartment and the sky was basically clear, but now we've come outside and there's some clouds. Oh, here comes a bicyclist. I wish I had an electric bicycle. Electric bicycle would be good to go up hills, and I don't have to pedal. Is the black building where the main street is, the big street? Okay. Yeah, that's right, because I think we've never walked further to that next restaurant on the beach. Oh, here's a shirtless young dad. And here's a shirtless young man. So the sun is out. Feeling nice on the back. And I'm carrying my little backpack since we're going to the grocery store. Here's another beachside restaurant, but it may not be open, I'm not sure. Here's a red flag. I think, I don't know for sure, the red flags say dangerous water or high waves, higher than normal. Local pedagogo. Pedagogo. Okay, here's the main, what do you call it, lifeguard station or beach patrol. I guess we're going to exit the beach here for the supermercado. Yes, here's the smaller supermarket. The other one is more of a hike. Did you enjoy the beach walk, sir? Mike says, nice walk, dude. We're going over here to this supermercado, supermarket. And I'm going to put my shoes back on. Ooh, desculpe. She was trying to run me over on her bicycle because I was not being careful and looking. Okay, I've got to put on my shoes. First I have to knock the sand off my feet.